Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer XRP from Uphold to your Tangem wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just getting started, let's make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, make sure you have both the Uphold app or website open and your Tangem wallet ready. Start by logging into your Uphold account. If you're on the app, tap the menu icon. On the website, head to your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Find XRP and select it. Next, open your Tangem Wallet app on your phone. Go to the Receive section for XRP. This will generate a unique wallet address. Make sure to copy it carefully. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back in Uphold, look for the Withdraw or Send option next to your XRP balance. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any network fees. Uphold might use the XRP ledger network, so keep an eye on that for 2025 updates. Before you hit confirm, verify all the details one more time. This includes the address, amount, and fees. Once you're good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation screen, approve it, and your XRP will start moving. The transfer time can vary, but on the XRP network, it should be pretty quick, often under a minute. Once it's done, check your Tangem wallet to ensure the XRP has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. That's it for this guide. Transferring XRP from Uphold to Tangem in 2025 is straightforward with these steps. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.